What's up, my friends? Big George here in the Grove at Grenelefe, my new community here in Haines City, and I'm going to show you something simply amazing, special, is what it is. The next gen homes in the Orlando division here at Lennar are very, very popular. People love the ability to, have more than one family living with them. So either they have an aging parent, maybe a son or a daughter who's in their 20s, not quite ready to go out on their own, but needs that privacy. There's a whole lot of reasons. I've even had people purchase these and use them as their office space, so it wasn't necessarily in their home. The way this particular home is laid out is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, with our new spec level and this community specifically, this home is a 60-foot home site with a 3-car garage. So that gives you ample space for just about anything. So let me turn this camera around and show you the McCartney. Well, my friends, there you have it. This is the McCartney. We have 9-foot ceilings, 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, backsplashes, covered lanais, an amazing master suite, and a mother-in-law suite that anybody could enjoy. This is definitely something worth coming out to visit. I will remind you that any Art Deco stuff on the wall does not come with the home, but it does give you ideas of how you might want to decorate your home. Of course, I'm available anytime with just a simple phone call to come out and check out the McCartney here at the Grove at Grenelefe in Haines City. My number is 727-542-7773. Call me directly to get the VIP tour of this gorgeous community. And if you're interested in any other community in Polk County, by all means, give Big George a call and I'll be happy to show you and explain everything you need to know about it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great holiday.